Welcome to my channel. Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to set up your Linksys Velop WHW0101 AC1300 mesh Wi-Fi system step by step. We'll go through connecting the node to your modem, using the Linksys app for setup, and getting your whole home Wi-Fi network up and running quickly. Let's get started. Step 1. Unbox the Velop system. Start by unboxing your Linksys Velop WHW0101. Inside the package, you will find the Velop node, a power adapter, and an Ethernet cable. Carefully inspect all components and ensure everything is included and undamaged. The node features a sleek, compact design that can easily blend into your home decor, making it ideal for placement in open areas without being intrusive. Step 2. Connect to your modem. Plug the Velop node into a power outlet using the provided adapter. Next, connect one end of the Ethernet cable to your modem and the other end to the Velop node. Once connected, power on the device and wait for the LED indicator to change color, signaling that the node is ready for setup. This step establishes the primary connection between your internet source and the mesh system. Step 3. Set up using the app. Download the Linksys app on your smartphone from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and follow the on-screen instructions to begin setup. You will be guided to create a Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and a secure password. The app automatically detects your Velop node and walks you through each step, making the process quick and beginner-friendly. Step 4. Place additional nodes. If you have additional Velop nodes, you can expand your Wi-Fi coverage by placing them in different areas of your home. Position each node in open spaces, ideally halfway between the main node and areas with weak signal. The system will automatically connect and create a unified mesh network, allowing seamless roaming without disconnecting as you move around your home. Step 5. Finalize setup and enjoy seamless Wi-Fi. Once setup is complete, your Linksys Velop WHW0101 network is ready to use. Connect your devices using the Wi-Fi name and password you created. You can now enjoy fast, reliable internet for streaming, gaming, video calls, and browsing. The mesh system ensures consistent performance across your home, eliminating buffering and weak signal areas. If you were unable to set up your Linksys Velop WHW0101 AC1300 mesh Wi-Fi or need our assistance, then you can reach us. Thank you for watching.